Test Norton and Refinish Solutions Group products with zero risk? Just schedule a Norton test drive. Simply fill out our contact form and we'll connect you with a local Norton RSG sales representative. At your convenience, the rep will assess shop needs and recommend products, balancing costs with performance expectations. Next comes the fun part. The Norton RSG sales rep will return with product and swap out the products your technicians typically use on a job with Norton and RSG partner products for an entire day. Your team can continue working on their projects without missing a beat, while we listen to your tech's feedback on product performance. Next, the Norton RSG rep sits down with shop management and gives an evaluation of the test drive and how we can improve the bottom line. When you decide to make the switch, the rep will come back and complete the details, including providing your shop with best practices and training. It's no risk, all reward. Schedule your test drive with Norton and RSG today.